हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द हॉबी हब क्रिएटिंग इमेजिनेशन इनटू रियलिटी। आज हम लाए हैं एक इजी हैंडमेड पेपर रोजेस ट्यूटोरियल। टेक a A4 size colored paper and cut it into 4 equal parts, size 10 cm. Now fold it for 3 times. And make a curve for flower and cut it. And the flower is ready. I have made 4 more flowers like this. Now cut the petals of the 4 flowers, like first petal of first flower, then first and second petal of second flower, first, second and third petal of third flower, first, second, third and 4 petals of fourth flower, as shown in the video. Now paste all the cut portion of the flowers as shown in the video. Now paste all the pasted flowers in a particular sequence to make a paper rose. And the rose is ready to go. This rose can be used as a decorative item for cards, frames, and for many more creative items. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.